Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This is Ski. I appreciate you tuning back in today. We're going to be doing another round of unboxing recruitment video. That's where we go and try to recruit the best guys we can and infiltrate them into our current teams and make us a stronger team for our alliance to win battles, win quests, and move forward. With that, wish me luck, and let's get recruiting. Well, that wasn't the greatest round of unboxing recruitment, but I did get Ren, a 4-star hero from that one group. I got Little John and Grim. I have them already. Just a lot of 3 stars. Very lackluster compared to other ones. Hoping always for that 5-star. There's a few groups I don't have any of them in. This would be one of them. So good luck on your unboxing recruiting as you hope for your best characters, empires, and puzzles. Check out some more of my content on Ski. And like always, this is Ski out.